Hi guys, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have an earwax extraction video for you. So lots of dry little bits of wax sitting about 2/3 of the way down the ear canal here. So easy enough to remove. We're just going to use some microsuction using a standard size ulnar tube. First thing we're going to do is try and loosen this from the canal wall. So you can see we're just getting the grip on the bottom section here, just taking the first piece of wax away. You can see how light this is in colour. So it's not been in here too long. This newly formed wax is much lighter in colour than the harder section. There we are, just grabbing the next piece now. What you will see is as we take this wax out of the ear canal, you'll see that embedded in the wax are lots of tiny little hairs. Now that's from haircuts. This gentleman's obviously a few trims, and the little bits of hair being getting down inside the ear canal. So you can see we're just going to gently move this last piece, much deeper in the canal, this one. So out he comes. Still little bits of hair in there. That's what's causing this to just dry out and hold in place, all these tiny little bits of hair. It can't migrate out because the hair is holding it together. And that's the last piece that was just a little bit left behind. When we take a look, lovely shiny eardrum, looks really healthy. And this is the wax that we removed. So nice extraction there. As always guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and please take care.